Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, we're going to take a look at an exchange that goes by the name of KAKOPX. Now, in this video, we'll review what they have to offer, how we can set ourselves up, and we'll take a look at what makes them different than the other platforms, because right now there's an abundance of exchanges and you want to choose an exchange that is legal, that has legal licenses to operate in multiple countries, in multiple jurisdictions. And you have to make sure that it is safe. It provides you with all the features that you need as a trader. So we'll take a look at it from all of those perspectives. Now, this is the official website of KAKOPX, and you get some information in the start. You get a 24/7 risk control safeguards. It has been licensed, which we'll get to in a bit, and it has chat GPT level market insights, milliseconds level matching, on-chain funds flow that is 24/7 perpetually. You have fortune making opportunities that are locked in seconds, so you get a sneak peek of what you're getting into. But the basic point is you are able to trade with the most popular crypto assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a bunch of others. We're going to take a look at the interface itself, but it has a lot of different tokens that you can trade with. It is supported in more than 120 regions, and this is because of their licenses, which I'm going to tell you guys in a bit. They have 24/7 support, and they have over 12.8 million registered users. So they have a lot of users. That's the whole point. You can search the list of the cryptocurrencies that you are able to trade right here. These are the hot search list. The main tokens that you are able to trade with: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Sol, every token that we are aware of. You also see the rising, the declining, the trading list, and the market value list as well. Now, of course, we're going to take a look at the actual exchange itself, its interface, but here we have some information about what they have to offer. It says that it's not just an exchange, but a future-oriented map of crypto finance. What you get here is a global, it acts as a global asset hub. It supports more than 120 mainstream and emerging crypto assets. You have diverse range of trading products like spot, futures, and options. We have the Green Blockchain Ecosystem Initiative. They provide innovation incubation. Basically, they provide technical support, they provide compliance guidance, and they provide liquidity empowerment to emerging projects. We have wallets and payments. We have education and research where you can, if you're new, you can learn about cryptocurrencies and blockchain and everything that is involved in it. Now, coming to the security, this is a very important part, and this is where the licenses comes in. Because what happened with FTX, people have been very careful ever since. So we have regular POR audits with a reserve coverage ratio that is exceeding 116%. It is backed by an independent legal team and fully aligned with global regulatory requirements to safeguard user rights. 95% of the assets stored in cold wallets, enhanced with quantum encryption technology for comprehensive asset and data security to ensure that there is, even if there's a hack or a breach, the assets remain safe and secure. Now, this is where we come to the licenses. KAKOPX is regulated and authorized by the US Department of Treasury and the US Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and holds the following international certifications. Now, you guys, I think, will be aware of how difficult it is to obtain a license from these places. And if they have, that means they have fulfilled all of their requirements to make sure that everything here is safe, everything here is checked. So we can rest assured that it is one of the safest exchanges out there. Now, the first thing you're going to do here is you're going to set up your account. You can set it up using your email or your phone number. Then set up your password. You're going to provide a referral code. I'll provide one in the description. You can use that to register, and then you can sign up. This process is pretty straightforward. They will send a confirmation email to your email, and they will send a code to the number that you provided, so you can, confirm your account from there. If we go to the market section, this is something that we have already seen. You get to see the list of, all the major tokens, the hot list, the trading list, and the rising tokens. And then we get to the actual exchange itself. Now, this is the spot trading. You can buy cryptocurrencies on immediate settlements. You buy them right away. So you have the option to buy a lot of these cryptocurrencies. Now, this is the spot. This one is the basic trading view that you get, the order book, and all the the basic interface of the exchange that you get. So you have the trading view with all the indicators. These are the interested orders. So we have the order book, we have the latest transactions, and down there, this is where we are able to open up. We are able to buy and we are able to sell cryptocurrencies. We can select any of these pairs that we have right here, and if you take a look at it, it's quite extensive. So you can search up a pair that you want to trade with. Once you have that selected, you have a bunch of different options. You can, you have the limit price option, you also have the market price, and then you can set up the amount, set up the quantity, and you can either buy or you can sell. It's pretty straightforward. Then we also have futures. Now, this is where you are able to select a cryptocurrency pair, and you are able to set a leverage that can be 20x, 50x, 100x, 200x, which is really amazing. And you are able to open up either long or short position. So again, you get the order book, the list of the cryptocurrencies, and the latest transactions, and the trading view right here. So I think that is something that we are well aware of. Nothing new here. And then we get the options. The interface is pretty straightforward. It's very beginner friendly. So even if you are a new user, you won't have any trouble going around this exchange, going around different, in different tabs, whether it's spot, whether it's futures, whether it is option. And in the more section, we get the college and the announcement. And in the finance section, we get financial management, and we have the launchpad. Now coming to the top up and withdrawal. In the top up, you get two options. You can either top up via fiat, so you can use your so you can use your US dollars, euro, pounds, whatever that you want to use, or you can top up using any of these cryptocurrencies. You can select a cryptocurrency. You can select which of the, let's say in the form of USDT, whether you want it to be ERC20, BEP20, or TRC20. Let's go with ERC20. This is where you are going to send the amount of USDT, and you will receive that in your account. Make sure that you read all of these tips, and just to be aware of all the rules. So depositing is pretty straightforward. Then we get to the withdrawal, which again is pretty straightforward. You can either withdraw in fiat, or you can withdraw to your wallet address. So I think there's nothing complicated here. But the point is, we have all of these features that a trader needs. All of the essential options are right here. And on top of that, what we need is safety, security, and regulation, to make sure that it is licensed. And we have that here, which is pretty rare to find in mainstream exchanges. So this is a basic overview. I'll give you guys the links in the description, so make sure that you get those from there. You sign up, I'll give you guys the code that will be in the description, so you can use that as your referral code. And let me know what you guys think about this, and I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.